10 assets that make people rich and never work again. Have you ever heard of Robert Kiyosaki's legendary book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad? He drops some serious knowledge bombs in there, including this game-changing concept called the cash flow quadrant. Get ready to have your mind blown. He totally broke it down for us. On the left side of the quadrant, we've got the employees and the self-employed hustling hard for that money, trading their precious time for that sweet, sweet income. Let's talk about the amazing power of leveraging our assets to create wealth and achieve true financial freedom. Instead of just seeking security, we're all about building a life of abundance and unlimited possibilities. Join me on this journey to unlock your full potential. Ever wondered how to transition from working for money to having money work for you? Today, I'm super excited to dive into the world of financial independence and share with you 10 amazing assets that can totally transform your life. With these game changers in your arsenal, you'll never have to worry about relying on a paycheck ever again. Let's get started on this epic journey together. First and foremost, acquiring knowledge and skills. Having knowledge is incredibly valuable, and it continues to expand as time goes on. Warren Buffett once shared the wise words, "The more knowledge you acquire, the greater your financial gains." It's important to always be learning and growing, as this brings great value to our lives. Let's consider Elon Musk as an example. He embarked on a journey to acquire knowledge in engineering, physics, and renewable energy, which eventually led him to establish Tesla and SpaceX. Through his unwavering commitment to learning, he was able to create revolutionary technologies that completely transformed various sectors. As you continue to gain knowledge, you open up countless possibilities for personal growth and success. By investing in your skills, whether through formal education, online courses, self-study, or real-world experiences, you can enhance your earning potential and boost your ability to innovate. There are so many resources available for learning in today's digital world. There are so many different areas you can explore, like coding, marketing, leadership, creative skills, or anything else that catches your interest. By expanding your understanding, you open up possibilities for more lucrative employment, entrepreneurial ventures, and even intellectual property that can generate passive income. Learning goes beyond personal growth. It forms the basis for building wealth. When knowledge is put into practice, it can significantly boost your earnings and pave the way for long-term financial independence. Second, your time. Time is a limited and valuable resource that is often not given the importance it deserves. Remember what Steve Jobs said, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life." It's important to get a head start on your wealth-building strategy, because the more time you have, the more compound interest can work in your favor. Let's say you begin investing at age 21. You'll be amazed at how even small contributions can grow exponentially over time. Time allows for the opportunity to engage in thoughtful experimentation, take calculated risks, and learn from any missteps along the way. It's really beneficial to start investing in assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses as early as possible. This way, you can take advantage of time to build up your wealth. It's important to take action sooner rather than later in order to maximize your long-term financial growth and unlock your full wealth-building potential. In addition to investments, the passage of time is also essential for personal growth. As time goes on, the efforts put into developing skills, networking, and creating assets will accumulate, much like the interest in a savings account. Success is often determined by how individuals choose to utilize their time. Efficient time management involves more than just putting in more effort. It's about being strategic, prioritizing tasks that have lasting benefits, and investing your time in creating assets that benefit you in the long run. Third, create a business that can grow. A scalable business is essential for generating wealth. Entrepreneurs such as Howard Schultz of Starbucks and Reed Hastings of Netflix didn't just start small businesses. They developed systems that had the potential to expand beyond their individual efforts. Scalability enables your business to grow effortlessly without requiring you to put in more effort or extend your working hours. A business with the potential for growth can expand in various ways, such as establishing additional branches, creating digital offerings, or adopting a franchise model. One distinguishing factor of successful businesses is their knack for expanding quickly without incurring substantial expenses. Consider digital products such as apps, courses, or subscription services. They have the advantage of being able to reach millions of customers without incurring significant increases in overhead costs. Creating a business that can grow and generate income without constant effort requires thoughtful preparation and strategy. As you transition, your focus will shift from day-to-day operations to a more strategic approach. You'll be responsible for establishing efficient systems, recruiting and managing a team, and driving the business towards long-term growth. Over time, the business will be able to operate smoothly without your constant presence, allowing you to explore new opportunities or savor the joys of life. Fourth, digital assets. The digital age has presented us with amazing possibilities for generating wealth through digital assets. There are various platforms available for you to explore, such as blogs, websites, YouTube channels, online courses, and social media accounts. Pat Flynn is a great example of someone who transformed their blog into a highly successful business. He achieved this by providing valuable content and generating revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. One of the great advantages of digital assets is how easily they can be scaled and the relatively low costs to get started. Starting a blog or YouTube channel doesn't require a large upfront investment, but as time goes on, these platforms have the potential to generate substantial income. After you've published your content, it keeps working for you over an extended period of time. For example, a blog post has the potential to generate ad revenue and affiliate commissions for an extended period of time, requiring no extra effort. In addition, digital assets have the ability to reach a global audience. It's amazing how you can connect with people from all over the globe and expand your reach. This opens up endless possibilities for selling your products, courses, or memberships. As your digital platform expands, you have the opportunity to generate more revenue through different channels, such as digital products, advertising, or subscription services. One of the greatest advantages of digital assets is their ability to work around the clock, making them an incredibly efficient method for generating passive income. Fifth, your network. The saying, "Your network is your net worth," emphasizes the importance of building relationships and accumulating wealth. Take Oprah Winfrey, for instance. She leveraged her network of mentors, business partners, and influential friends to establish her media empire. Having a solid network can provide access to valuable opportunities, information, and support that may otherwise be difficult to obtain. Networking goes beyond simply knowing people. It involves creating genuine connections with individuals who can provide support, guidance, and opportunities for collaboration. If you're involved in business, investments, or a corporate career, having the right connections can really help you move forward faster. Having a strong network can open doors to new clients, job opportunities, business partnerships, and even investment deals. In order to create a meaningful network, it's important to prioritize offering value to others before expecting anything in return. Assist individuals in resolving issues, provide your knowledge, and maintain active involvement with your network. As your network expands, you'll find more chances to collaborate and grow together. Your personal brand and reputation can be valuable assets when combined with a strong network, greatly enhancing your ability to generate wealth. Sixth, exploring paper assets, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. One of the easiest ways to increase your wealth is by investing in paper assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Investing in diversified portfolios that grow over time has become accessible to the average person. thanks to legendary investors like John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard. Investing in paper assets provides an opportunity to engage in the financial markets and reap the rewards of global business growth. Stocks represent ownership in companies, while bonds are essentially loans to corporations or governments that pay interest. Investing in mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, offers the advantage of diversification, allowing you to spread your risk across a wide range of assets. Consistency is crucial when it comes to achieving success with paper assets. Over time, small and regular contributions have the potential to grow significantly due to the power of compound interest. Over the long term, investing in index funds or blue-chip stocks can generate impressive returns without the need to actively manage a business or real estate. As your portfolio expands, you can experience the benefits of passive income through dividends and capital gains, all while maintaining a relatively hands-off approach. Seventh, real estate. Real estate has always been a dependable method for accumulating wealth. Consider Barbara Corcoran, who amassed her wealth through astute real estate investments. Investing in property can provide a range of benefits, such as generating passive income, enjoying tax advantages, and experiencing property appreciation. Whether you choose rental properties, commercial spaces, or real estate development, property investment can be a lucrative endeavor. When it comes to real estate, you have the opportunity to use OPM, other people's money, through mortgages to buy properties that can generate rental income. As time goes on, the property becomes self-sustaining as tenants take care of the mortgage, property taxes, and maintenance expenses. As property values continue to climb, the equity in your home grows, making it a valuable asset that can be sold or inherited by future generations. Real estate provides various tax advantages, in addition to rental income. Investors have the opportunity to benefit from various deductions that can help lower their tax burden. These deductions include mortgage interest, property depreciation, and maintenance expenses. In the grand scheme of things, real estate offers a fantastic opportunity to generate wealth without much effort. It enables you to spread out your investments and establish a solid financial foundation. Eighth, intellectual property. Intellectual property, IP, is a highly valuable asset that is sometimes not given the attention it deserves in the process of creating wealth. Let's talk about J.K. Rowling, the mastermind behind the billion-dollar franchise that is the Harry Potter series. Intellectual property encompasses various forms of legal protection for original works, such as copyrights, patents, trademarks, and other creative assets that can generate continuous income. IP has a unique quality where it can keep generating income for years without any extra effort required. When it comes to writing a book, developing software, creating a product, or inventing something new, IP has the amazing ability to grow rapidly. Did you know that licensing, royalties, and brand partnerships have the potential to transform your intellectual creations into passive income streams? In addition, intellectual property laws offer legal safeguards for your ideas, allowing you to profit from them and preventing unauthorized copying or use by others. As you keep working on and promoting your products or creative works, the value of IP can increase over time. Ninth, let's talk about commodities like gold, silver, and energy. Throughout history, commodities such as gold, silver, and energy have been highly regarded as valuable assets that can preserve wealth over time. Ray Dalio, a renowned hedge fund manager, is recognized for his diversified investment approach. His strategy involves holding significant positions in commodities to protect against inflation and economic downturns. Commodities, unlike paper currency, maintain their value due to their tangible nature and intrinsic worth, making them a reliable asset. Gold and silver, for instance, have been utilized as a means of preserving wealth for countless generations and tend to maintain their value even in periods of economic instability. Just like oil and natural gas, energy commodities play a vital role in global economies and continue to be in high demand. Investing in commodities is a great way to add variety to your portfolio and safeguard your wealth against market volatility. Commodities tend to increase in value during periods of inflation or financial crises, which makes them a valuable asset for managing risk. By including a portion of your portfolio in commodities, you can rest assured that your wealth will be safeguarded, regardless of the state of the economy. 10th, taking care of your health. Richard Branson once emphasized the importance of self-care, stating, "When you prioritize your well-being, it reciprocates by taking care of you." Health is crucial, regardless of one's wealth. It serves as the cornerstone for all other assets. Having good health enables you to be more productive, think more effectively, and pursue your aspirations with the vigor and concentration required for success. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial for making wise financial choices, establishing successful businesses, and maintaining long-term prosperity. Taking care of your health by incorporating exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, and prioritizing mental well-being is crucial for enjoying the fruits of your labor. However, if you disregard your well-being, it may result in expensive healthcare expenses and a reduced standard of living, which can undermine the advantages of your financial achievements. When you make your health a priority, you can fully enjoy the fruits of your labor and the precious time you've worked so hard to create.